Do you have long voice recordings and don't want to read the full transcription? What if your phone could summarize it for you? Samsung's Transcript Assist in the voice recorder app can not only transcribe, it also summarizes your recorded voice. Let me show you how it works. Important note, this feature works only for recordings that have been transcribed before. So to summarize a voice recording, open the voice recorder app. Tap a recorded voice that already has a transcription. At the top, tap the Transcript Assist icon. Now tap Summarize. When it's done, your phone will show a summary of the recording. Above the summary result, you can change the summary style by tapping the summary style icon. By default, it uses group by subject. This group the summary based on different topics, so it's easier to understand the main point. If you prefer a time-based order, you can switch to show as timeline. This shows the summary following the order of the recording from start to end. Below the summary, you will see three options. Copy the summary to the clipboard. Add to note to add both the summary and the voice recording to a new note. And translate to translate the summary into another language. This feature saves time when listening to long recording. You get the key point quickly without reading everything. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.